Hello, my dear students, you are watching Brain Master Spoken English. Today, I shall discuss a good topic that is called the having. But remember, I already have told you, you should speak out what is coming to your mind. You should not think too much. You should not translate in your mind. Having is a difficult topic that most of the students are puzzled whenever they are using having. I am here using the first having said that. Having said that means in spite of this or despite. Most of the time we don't know how to use having. In this video I will tell the difficult part of another video I also discuss having. Having is a difficult topic. Having said that, despite, in spite of, here, in spite of, I had to learn. That means it is difficult topic. In spite of, I have to learn. Here, the sentence I am giving you, you should use like this. Most of the time, the students are making wrong. Now, another sentence I will take, then you can understand clearly what is the meaning and how to use having. This restaurant is expensive. Having said that, I have the food here. This restaurant, you look at this restaurant is expensive. It is expensive in spite of this or despite or having said that, I have the food here. That means I never want to eat anywhere except this restaurant. Here, again I am saying you are using like this. I am so happy to have you in my life. I am so happy to have you in my life. Suppose you are telling to your friend or a husband to his wife, I am so happy to have you in my life. That means your life is pleasurable. Getting such kinds of a friend. So you can use another way in this sentence. In this sentence, you can speak out, you can write, you can express anywhere. I am so happy having you in my life. Here, to have already have been changed into having. That means the same meaning. I am so happy having you in my life. Most of the time, you yourself you yourself say back how I shall express. My dear, I am not telling you that you exactly use this sentence. You must create another sentence in your mind and you express it before your friend. Another sentence I am telling you. It is my pleasure to have you in my class. I am very happy getting you in my class. That means your presence is giving me happiness. I am so pleased. That means here it is my pleasure to have you in my class. If you are not here or you are not present here, I am not getting so pleasure. Here it is my pleasure to have you in my class. Then you can express this sentence in this another way. It is my pleasure having you in my class. Having you in my class. Here to have changed into having you in my class. My dear, whenever I am speaking here, I am not looking anywhere. I concentrate myself to my topic, what I am going to tell. Another sentence, if you come to my mind, yes, it is another sentence. I am very lucky to have such a son. I am very lucky. A father say, I am very lucky. I am very lucky to have such a son. That means the son is very obedient. This son is very obedient. Father is very happy. So that he is telling to his friend or to his neighbor, I am very happy. I am very lucky to have such a son. You also can say, I am very lucky to have such a friend. I am very lucky to have such a girlfriend. No. It is not my way of teaching. I am telling you that you can say, I am very lucky to have such a friend. Here, again, you can say like this. The father say, I am very lucky having such a son. You can say, I am very lucky having such a friend. Here, both the sentences are 100 to 100 correct. But you are puzzled here. Okay, I can. My dear, one sentence is enough for you to understand the topic having. Then I shall discuss in another lesson how to use having in the very formal way or informal way anywhere. You should not puzzle. Have you seen sometime we say the great lecture? We watch the great lecture or we listen the great lecturer that the person is using having, but you only stuck the eyes and you are looking at the speaker how he is using. That means you think that he is better than me. No, my dear, if you will learn, you try to speak yourself, then you can express having in the right way. I hope that you already have understood it. And if you will not subscribe my channel till now, please you subscribe it to get such video or lesson every day. Thanks a lot.